Hello guys, welcome to weekly recap here on gold, the pound USD, the USDCAD, and of course the DXY. And quickly, price played out really nice this week. My first anticipation was for price to either reject this regions of 103 and continue to the upside, maybe coming back to 104, 104.50. And then pulling back to this region to continue to the downside, or we'll get a break of this region, a retest of it, and then we'll continue to the downside. Now, first, we broke down between these regions, and I knew price would retest these regions of 102.60. So with this rejection, I got into the counter trading to buy up to this region. All right, so that was basically my trade for the week, which happened that over here on gold first. Gold had a continuous bullish movement. We had price break above 210, 209, retested that region, and we had continuous bullish movement. 2050 before the week ended, 2070 retesting the highs, the previous highs price has made in May 2023. And possibly if you look at the daily time frame, you see price back to the top highs it's made back in August 2020. All right, and basically here again in March 2022. So gold is really almost at the all-time high here, and possibly we might see price start break that region this time around and start creating a new high, or maybe on Monday we'll first get a rejection first before that. Now, pound USD, which was the basic trade I had last week, was on the 4 hours time frame where price created this new high here. I knew they would get back for a retest, so I did a counter trading here over here on the 1 hour time frame. Let me see. Yes, over here on the 1 hour time frame, I basically anticipated that break. It initially was from this region, then a retest of it. I got in here and I routed that price to these regions here. All right, then we saw price continue to the upside, because if you watch on my 4 hours time frame analysis, I was looking for if price would sell to basically when price breaks 125.18 one more time, but we might see a pullback to this region, then continue to the upside to break and retest, then continue to 127 region. But we had price break that region earlier the week, and then we had a pullback to that region and then a continuation. And lastly, USDCAD solely to the downside. You had that break, you had that retest. That was anticipating to come to this region, but we tested this region here. If you watch, that was also valid, and then boom, we had a continuation to the downside. We had this new low, then came back again for a pullback, and then boom, continuation to the downside. All right, so I'll see you guys for weekly outlook on Monday. But lastly, the Euro USD, it was kind of tricky, not like the pound USD, but we had that new high. I was anticipating it to flow the same way like pound USD before the end of the market to maybe continue to the bullish side, but we just saw that rejection here. So basically we might see a continuation of a bullish movement here on Euro USD going next week, but we'll see how that plays out. Okay, I'll see you guys on Monday for outlook, and make sure you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Ciao.